So we're back at my water heater. Why? Because my other parts came in and I wanted to show you the old pressure. And I also wanted to show you the old pressure relief valve. So, I mean, it could be worse, but it could be way better too. And it leaked. So that was the interior of it. Just kind of wanted to show you what condition it was in. And this is original as far as I know. I'm pretty sure it is. Original to the motorhome. I bought this motorhome when it was 10 years old, and it's 1996. Bought it in 2006, and it is now 2019. So let's get busy, and I'll show you what I'm up to. Okay, so the parts I ordered was this and this. Gotta get a screwdriver. This one I will not be installing today, but I'm going to open it and get it out of the box so I can store it easier. This one came from 24/7 Parts in New York, Ozone Park, New York. Just going to go ahead and open it. Okay, so what's in the box? Packing slip. Okay, so it is a packing slip for an Atwood water heater spark and sensor electrode, 2-prong, which is this right here. But I don't really think I need to replace that after all. I think I'll just hang on to it. And when I need to replace it, then I'll have it. But maybe, I don't know, maybe I will. That looks nice and shiny and new and in really good shape. This other one is kind of rusted. Yeah, I think maybe I will replace that. We'll see. The other package pretty. Look at that, it's so pretty. So it is my burner. Nice and shiny and new. And once I get this off, you'll see why I needed to replace it. So I'm going to get some tools, take that off, and show it to you. The proper tool. Let's zoom in on this. Let's go ahead and unplug it. There we go. I had already loosened it prior to this, and I didn't tighten it back down, so we're good. Oh, darn. Really? I just threw my screw on the ground. Okay, ready? Ready to see what this thing looks like? Okay, this is the reason we are replacing it. Look how rusted it is. That's not good. That's really rusted. Yeah, I think it's time to go ahead and replace both parts. This is pretty funky. and it has some, maybe it's just rust, but it looks all brownish around there. And I may as well just replace the whole thing, right? And now I see that that screws on down there, so that's good too. Yeah, for some reason it was getting buildup on it. Thick. Okie dokie, so we will put that back onto there like so, and just reinstall it. Easy, easy, easy fix. Let's see. Actually, I'm doing good. Okay. Ouch. Pinch myself here. So I'll go ahead and assemble this, and then we'll put it on. I just have to put the screw in here. This is open a bit more. Okay, it's assembled here now. And this is open a bit more than what I'd like. So I'm going to go ahead and readjust it before I put it on. There we go. And all it takes is one screw on the top. Right here. Wow, that looks nice, doesn't it? So much better than the old rusted part. Okay, this won't quite fit in there. Let's see if the other one will. Okie dokie. So I just plug this back into this. There we go. Slide the little red cap over. And we're good to go. Let me go turn it on. There we have it. We're on. Let's see what our flame looks like. Okay, she's looking pretty good. I can't really see the flame. It's flickering a bit. Maybe I do need to open a little. Whoa, didn't like that at all. Okay, I think that's pretty consistent now. Well, you really can't see the flame, the sunlight's blowing in it, but you can hear the consistency of the fire, which sounds good now, of the Pilot. Tighten it down a little bit there. We're good. Water heater is now finished. Yay! Thank you for watching. Live the life you love. Catch y'all later. Bye.